Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my African garden. It is harvesting day. I'm all by myself and I'm feeling confused. I don't know where to start. Bird, guys, look at this. I have abandoned my garden for the past I think 2 weeks. I haven't been here, so it is just fresh by God's grace because the corn is blocking my sprinklers, you see, so the water is not able to get right here. Look at that, it's all dry because it's not receiving enough water. The water leaf normally should have been, you see, that one received a little bit of water. Let me go closer so you can see. This one received a little bit of water, this one didn't. You see the difference it makes? So water leaf needs a lot of water in order to do well. All right, so there was no water here, there was water here, there was water here, so you can see the difference. See, the garden huckleberry is all dry. Normally I harvest on one bed, I'll harvest one trash bag like this full, but that's all I got. Look at that, it can't even cook a pot of soup. Okay, so this is all I got from this one bed. Look here, it's like nothing. You just see the grass. Yeah, let me show you my sprinklers. I think my sprinkler rather, because it's just one, and it's able to water all my farm. But you see, with the corn growing so tall and all the leaves, the water is not able to, you know, go everywhere. So I don't know. So this is what has been helping me, and I don't know, it is folded here. I think I need to tie it like this so that water can go through. Yeah, because like this the water is not going to go through. I think that's also a problem because it is set automatically on my phone, and I can just, you know, go in there, manipulate on my phone and turn it on. But I think with this fold here, it's not able to even water the garden. Like the cocoyams that are near the sprinkler are dry. Look at this. Okay, but what do I expect when I've been away for a week or two? That's what I can get. Okay, but at least I have some hope that we're going to eat the corn. You see, I think we're going to eat it before it gets cold. Hopefully, let's keep our fingers crossed. All right, and I'm praying for a lot of rain, because without rain there is nothing I can do to get this garden watered. It's a lot of how do I put it? It is too thick to get watering cans and try to water it manually. No, I'm not doing that, not even now, because you'll get scratched by the leaves, by the corn and all of that. I'm not ready to do that. So guys, that is it. That's what it looks like. So today is harvesting day. I'm going to be harvesting, like you already saw me doing, I'm going to be harvesting the garden huckleberry, aka njama. I'll be harvesting that, and then I also harvest my water leaf. Okay, I have quite a bit of water leaf today, so I'll be harvesting that. Look at what I found. We call this in Cameroon kene. I don't know how it got here. I think it came out from the water leaf seeds. This is kene. I don't know how they call this. I don't know the English name, but I just know growing up they call this kene. I don't know how you call it in your country. Please, if you recognize this vegetable, let me know how you call it. I know there are a few of them here. There are a couple of them. I saw a few. So we are harvesting water leaf, garden huckleberry, and I'm going to harvest my seeds. Okay, I'll be harvesting these seeds. I think they are ready and They are beginning to fall. Whoa. Okay, it's time to harvest them. Time to harvest my seeds. Look at that, guys. Here's the vegetable, green. And then we are going to harvest some taro leaves, cocoyam leaves for our equine. Okay, and if you are in the DMV area, if you're in Maryland, in DC, in Virginia, and you are craving some equine, contact me and I will make sure that you satisfy your cravings. Okay, we are here to help you enjoy equine without suffering, because equine is a lot of work. It's a lot of, the process is very long, so we are here to reduce the process. And once we do that, it takes you 30 to 45 minutes for your food to get cooked. Okay, all right guys, that being said, since I'm alone, I'm not sure I'm going to be recording myself working, but I'm just going to go off the camera and get to work, and I'm going to show you the harvest at the end of the day. I'll show you what I would have harvested. All right, look at that. I feel like I'm in my father's farm in Cameroon. Like, see how beautiful that is. Okay, if you are enjoying this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, like and share the video. Okay, all right, I'll see you in a few minutes or in a few hours, because it will take me quite some time to harvest everything, and I will show you, I'll give you an update. All right, see you soon. This is what we have so far. This is our taro leaves, malanga leaves, cocoyam leaves that I've harvested. Right, and this is some more over here. So what I'm going to do is take the leaves out of the stems. I just did it so that it's going to be easier for me to come out of that bush. Okay, here's my bush. And then guys, you can see that now that I harvested the leaves, there is some room, like it is breathing, right? There is some space. So it is good to harvest them to create room, so that when it rains, you can take enough water and all that stuff. So we are still harvesting the water leaf. Here is my jama, and I have my sweet mother here who is helping me to harvest today. I don't think she wants to show her face to the camera, so yeah, she's helping me today, and I'm so grateful, guys. I'm that one blessed girl. I always have people helping me. Like at the beginning of this video, I told you guys I was alone, right? So I just gave her a quick call and she came. You see, she was available and she came. So I'm so grateful she's helping me. And we are going to harvest the garden huckleberry or the njama, and then I will take the stems out of the taro leaves, and then we'll be out of here. It's getting hot, so we need to go.